All right, good morning, guys. So today we're going to be looking at our calendar, and we're going to look at the assignment for today. So today, I know it's actually Tuesday, but since we're moving to one content a day, today we are doing math. Yesterday we did reading. So let's go ahead and do the math that we were supposed to do yesterday. It says count 1 through 5 movable objects in a line. Complete lesson 1 handout. So before we start, let's review our numbers. So let's count to 5. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Now let's do it all together. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome, counting to 5. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use some spoons. We're going to count 5 spoons. So I want you to count with me. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here we have 5 spoons. I'm not sure if you can see them. I'm hiding the other one. I think you can see it. Okay, so there we have 5 spoons. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our handout. Let's see. So we already did these 2. So let's go ahead and go on to this one. So this is actually page 10. So it says, which set equals this one? So there's how many tires? There's 2. So let's count. Get ready. 1, 2. Now let's review. What is the word equals? Equal means the same. So I want you to look for one that is the same as this one. Which one is it? Circle your best answer. Number 4. It says circle September 4th. So let's count. Let's find September 4th. So this is September. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle September 4th. You're going to circle. Number 5. It says mark an X 2 days later. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to number 4 and you're going to mark an X 2 days later. So you're going to go 1, 2, and then you're going to mark an X. Once you are done, we're going to go ahead and go to the next one. This one says, how many paper clips apart are these 2 race cars? So if you have paper clips, I just want you to kind of measure the distance between these 2 cars. So once you measure it, whatever you have, if it's a pencil or anything, you just measure and then you're going to put it on this line. Number 2 says, how many cars do you count? So let's count the cars. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Excuse me. So I want you to circle number 3. We have 3 numbers here. So we have number 3, number 5, and number 4. Find number 3. 3. Number 3. Which symbol means equal? Remember, we already reviewed it in the last worksheet. Equal means the same. Circle your best answer. Once you are done, you can go ahead and take a picture and submit it for a grade. Good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or send me a message.